Hello guys, this is the average night sky here in our location in Philippines. I am in Mindanao. Oh shit, it's fucking cold. Like, look at the, whoa, what the fuck just happened? And here I'm holding 20 pesos. Ayun. Okay, never mind. This is my 20 pesos. May gabi eh. Fucking cold. Fucking cold. Just, god damn it. Huh? Yeah. Ayo. Hey, nay. Gabi. Napa mo yung creamer? Napa mo yung creamer? Wala na?
Creamer na.
Ay, dara.
Kani.
Cream all. Sige daw. Wait daw ko. Bale, 20. Average night sky. Ayan ay. So, 5.
Times 4.
5 na. 5 kabok. Uy, no? Pagpilain yung wafelo na eh. Pagpilain yung wafelo? Ah, okay. Nanay, ako lang sa ingatan yung kwartado at ako dito. Special delivery eh. Maling lugar. Ay. Salamat, Nay. Gaspog ko. Nagalis ako. Okay, guys. I just got 5 pieces of coffee. I got 5 pieces of creamer. I mean creamer. This is literally less than $1. The night sky in a vehicle. Parang disang kuliah. Okay. Literally the fucking night. It's so good. I wish y'all can stay here. This is very actually good. Love you guys. Back in the home. Sneak peek. Nope. Okay. Wala man day nag-ulan. Lukay raman day gapon. Okay. Okay guys, bye. See you again next time.